Philips 9009, the Xtra 4K QD MiniLED TV. Main features are: display is 4K UHD MiniLED. Panel resolution is 3840 x 2160. Native refresh rate is 144 Hz. Picture engine. P5 Perfect Picture Engine. P5 Perfect Picture Engine. Titan OS Smart Platform. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Immerse yourself in what you love. MiniLED TV. Whatever the source, always perfection. Philips P5 Engine. Quantum dot technology for incredible color and contrast. Cinematic vision and sound. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Epic gaming. 120 Hz, ultra low lag, VRR, free synchronies. Easily connect to smart home networks and voice assistants. Philips wireless home system powered by DTS Play-Fi. Supports all major HDR formats. Compatible with Matter and Control 4. MiniLED features are wall color adaptive, lounge light mode, MiniLED music, ambi sleep.